Hey guys, Gabriel here. In this video, I'm going to it is a video. I'm gonna go over the Tile app, and yeah, this is gonna be uploaded to YouTube as an audio file.
Hello, guys.
Creighton's here with me. I hope the audio is working. I did do a test on it, so if I didn't fuck with it, we'll see. So
hopefully he didn't.
The Tile app is an app you can use if you have a tile, to find. You can use it to find your key, wallet, anything flat you put it on. So like a key, a wallet, a backpack, anything like that. I have a tile mate. This is on my key. And I have my iPhone 7 hooked up to it here.
Connection status. Gabriel nearby. Now. Options. Button. Connection status. Connected.
Yep.
Add tile. Add tile.
So we're going to have a look at the app quick. This is the add tile button. The add tile button lets you add a tile.
Words. Speaking rate. 60%. Words. Characters. Add tile. Button. Settings. Button.
Settings gets you to the app settings.
Options. Button.
Options, I believe, brings you...
Remove phone. Share. Details.
Nope.
Details.
I can ignore that.
Add tile. Setting. Options. Connection status. Connected.
Connection status connected.
Gabriel's
That's
iPhone
my iPhone 7.
Nearby. Now. Options. Button. Connection status. Connected.
And this one is my key.
Find. Button.
So to find your key, you can either flick right from the key, or you
Key.
can tap it,
Key. Back button. Connect. Tile. Nearby. Last
and
time
then
seen.
hit
Find.
find.
Button.
And when we find it, I have my tile here in my hand.
Done.
I did change the ringtone on this. We can hit the tile
Now,
logo to silence
Something to
that.
explain, Gabriel,
Uh-huh.
is how do you pair the tile, and does the tile take batteries?
Yes. The tiles do take batteries. Now, they come with batteries in them. If you get a newer tile and you're subscribed to Tile Premium, you will get battery replacements every year. These batteries are supposed to last these batteries are supposed to last a year, as long as you're not, constantly activating it with no reason. So yeah, that should last you a solid year. Otherwise, if you have an older version, if you have Premium, they may send you a new one, or you may have to get a new one. I'm not sure. I do have an older one, I believe. But I have no idea. So now, pairing. Pairing is pretty easy. I can't demo pairing right now because mine is already activated. Now, I could show pairing with my dad's phone because we got a 4-pack, but well, I guess I can demo it and then just create him an account and transfer it, I guess.
Nah, just talk about it.
Basically what you do, and I can go to the interface here.
Back button. Back button. Add tile. Button.
You're going to add tile.
Add tile. Add a device.
And
Heading.
we're going to look through the options quick. And by the way, when you do get the app, it will prompt you to create an account.
Close. Button. Tile. Our family of Bluetooth trackers. Button.
Tile, so this includes the Tile Mate, the Tile Pro, and the Tile Slim.
Bose. SoundSport wireless headphones. Button. Skullcandy. Venue wireless headphones. Button.
So my Skullcandy does not get included in this one, but that's fine.
Commercial. Fine leather wallets and keyrings. Button. Key Smart Pro. Compact key organizers. Button. Fossil. Wallet. Button. Nomad. Technical accessories for mobile devices. Button. Bianca. Bianca keys. Button. Buy tile. Button.
And there's a buy tile button.
Fossil. Keys. Skullcandy.
So we're going to
Bose,
hit
tile. Close. But
tile.
Our tile. Our add a device.
And with
Activate.
this one,
click the tile logo once to activate tile.
it explains how to connect it. So
1. Click the tile logo once to begin activation. It'll play a nice tune. 2. Place the tile next to your phone. Not working? Button.
And
2.
that's all you do.
Add a device.
And it'll
Add
activate.
a device. Back button. Activate. Add
And
a
it
device.
knows
Back
what
button.
tile it is,
Our
obviously.
Bose. Sounds.
Yeah.
Close. Button.
Now actually,
Add tile.
let me
button.
close out the app here, and I
Add
can
tile.
show you
Add
the
tile.
tune it
Spotify.
plays. If I can grab my
Tile.
tile.
Now. Tile is disabled and not running. Open the tile app to keep track of your items.
We've
Tile.
got-
And by the way, when you do close the app, the tile does deactivate itself.
Not exactly. I can show you that here later. It says it does, but I guess I discovered it doesn't really. So we got the
Oh, that's
tile
interesting.
box open here, and I can grab my dad's tile from said box. And when you do first press the tile logo, you'll hear this sound. And if you press the tile logo again, it's in pairing mode now. So if we wait a few minutes, and I'm going to be quiet, I'm going to wait maybe 2 minutes, maybe less than that, it will play a tune saying that I'm out of pairing mode now. You'll have to hit the button again.
And we wait.
And wait. That's how small the tile is. It's a square.
Yeah, these things are tiny.
Yep. If I hit the button again, which I don't really need to. We need to continue waiting. If that's gonna shut up. So as you can see, it does take a while to get out of pairing mode, but it'll get out of it
It'll
at some point.
get out there eventually.
I don't want to have the tile too close to the mic. There you go.
So there you go.
And that's the pairing mode. We're going to drop this back into its box.
I'm surprised your dad didn't use that one.
He wants me to set it up for him, so I'll get to that later. That's what I was saying. I could activate it on my account for now so I can demonstrate, and then I can just transfer it. Because that's the nice thing, too, is if you already have a tile activated and you want to give it to someone, you can just, as long as they have a tile account, transfer it to their email.
Oh, that's cool.
But there you go. So that's that feature. Now, as I was saying, as you heard, it said the tile app disables the tile when you shut it. Now, we're going to find my phone here, and that's the next section. Let's say you have your tile in your hand or your key. You found your key, but then you misplace your phone for some odd-ass reason. What we're going to do is we're going to double-click the tile logo. Now, it's going to make that since the tile app's closed, but if I give it enough time, it'll ring my phone at full volume.
Sky, one new item.
So now...
9:41 a.m. Status bar item.
What? 9:41 a.m.?
Tab team talk. Tile. Tile.
If I open the tile app,
Tile. Add tile button.
that's back in.
Or 9:41 a.m.
Why does that say 9:41 a.m.?
Options. But connection. Gabriel's life nearby.
So
Now.
we're going to ping it one more time here by double pressing.
Alert. You rang your phone from key. Okay. Button.
Now,
Tile button.
another thing we want to show you here, or
Options.
that I want to
Connect
show
game
you,
nearby.
is
Now.
changing the
Options. Connections.
ringtone
Key.
on your
Font.
key, or your tile.
Key.
So we're going to tap on key here.
Connect tile nearby. Last time.
We're going to
sent.
flick
Now.
right.
Find. Selected. Siri. Options.
To the
Tab. 3 of
options
3.
tab.
Selected. Options. Tab. 3
Then
of
we're
3.
going to hit details.
Smart location. Share. Details. Button.
Flicking right.
Details. Back button. Transfer tile.
Here,
Button. Details.
there are
Details.
buttons like-
tile
or,
name. Key. Details. Heading.
information and
Tile
buttons.
name. Key. Text.
Tile
field.
name, key.
Ringtone. Bionic Birdie. Button.
Ringtone, the default is Bionic Birdie.
Change photo. Button.
Change photo, you could have a photo for this.
Category. Keys. Button.
Category is keys.
Actions. Heading.
Actions,
Find your phone.
find your phone.
Find your phone. Switch
That's
button.
switch
On.
button. That's on.
Replace tile. Button.
Replace tile.
Transfer tile.
Transfer
Button.
tile.
Hide tile.
Hide tile.
Device details. Heading.
Device details.
Activated. 2019. 01. 14. 7:46 p.m.
That's when it was activated.
Tile identifier. 085AA4C. 159.
And there's my
Activated.
identifier.
Ringtone. Tile net. Ringtone.
So we're
Bionic
gonna
Birdie.
hit my
Ringtone.
ringtone thing
Details.
here.
Ringtone. Key. Previewing.
default
Hit play.
is-
Previewing. Bionic Birdie.
Bionic Birdie,
Hit
so
play
let's hit
button.
play.
Hit play. Hit stop. Button.
That's the default ringtone.
Dimmed. Save. Tap. Bionic Bird. The classic call.
We're gonna go with the classic call.
The classic call.
Similar. So that's similar to the default.
Pep in your step.
Pep in your step. That's the one I was using before. I changed it earlier.
Pep in your step. Blues for Slim.
Blues for Slim.
Blues for Slim.
Okay. We'll just go back to the default one.
Some of these are kind of... Yeah. Shut up.
Skipping zones.
I kind of want to play through all of these, but it's kind of
Pep
loud.
in your skipping zones.
Actually, here. I have an idea. Let's go here and change the volume.
Blues. Skipping zones.
Next one is Skipping Stones.
Skipping zones.
That's a lot quieter. That's better. So as you can tell, there is a decent amount of ringtones you could choose from. There are more.
County Fair.
We're gonna play it. County Fair. This one's weird.
Jumping beans.
I don't know how
Jumping
that's a county fair.
Yeah, Jumping Beans.
Pep in your step. Jumping to and fro. To and fro.
And this one.
To and fro.
So, what I'm gonna switch it to
Big play. Previewing. Pep in your step.
is
Bionic Bird.
because when we set it back to default, the save button will be dimmed, and I want to show you what happens when you save a
The
ringtone.
classic call. Tap in your step.
We're gonna switch it to,
The classic call. The classic call. Bionic. Tap to listen. Pep. Save.
and we're gonna hit save.
Big back button. Your new ringtone will be ready in a few seconds. Your new ringtone will 50% complete.
And it's updating the...
It's syncing. By the way, these things do require, as far as I know, they require Bluetooth.
Yes, they do.
Your new ringtone will be ready in a few seconds. The classic call is ready. Your new ringtone will be ready in a few seconds.
So now,
Find.
to get out of this, we're
find,
gonna hit
button,
find.
Find. Dimmed. Done. Button. Done. Button. Your find. Button. Find.
Actually, we're
button,
gonna hit find, then
dimmed.
done.
Done. Button. Done.
Just to get out of that window.
The classic call.
There we go. And
Key,
then we're
details,
gonna hit
back button.
details back.
Back button.
And we're gonna change
Actions.
it back to the
Find your
default
fo-
because that's
category,
not the one
key,
I'm gonna
change
use.
photo,
Actually, no,
button.
not default.
Ringtone.
We're
The
gonna
classic
use...
ringtone. Details. Tap to listen. What? The pep in blues. Pep in your step. Pep in your step. The what? Tap. Save. Dim. Save. Button.
that one.
Big back.
So we're
button.
gonna hit save
Update
again.
89. Pep in your step is 100%. Pep in your
That was
step is ready.
quick.
Your new ringtone will be find. Button. Find.
We're gonna
button,
hit find.
Find. Dimmed. Done. Button. Done.
It sounds so different on the speaker, the
Four
tile, but then
bars,
again, that
details,
speaker's
back button.
tiny.
Back button.
Yes.
I
button,
usually do
back
not
button.
get 4 bars here.
Back
What the
button.
hell's
Add
going
tile,
on?
Button. 4 to 4 bar 9 orient. Locate orient 9:41 a.m.
It's still
I'm
showing.
screwed
Tile.
up.
Hold on.
Home. FaceTime 9:41 a.m.
How is that showing
Settings.
that?
Sounds and
Ooh,
do not disturb
this is
screen
not
time.
good.
General button selected setting. Date and time.
Okay.
Keyboard, language and dictionary. iTunes Wi-Fi. iTunes words. Speaking rate 75%. 70% words. Characters. Dictionary. Language. Keyboard. Date and time. Button.
Date and time.
Selected. 24-hour time. Set automatically. On. Time zone. Edmonton. Dim.
Yeah,
Set
that's
automatically. On. Off. On. 9:41 a.m. Sounds
Odd.
volume.
My phone probably
Apps,
needs a
tile,
reboot.
Settings. Active. Settings.
But yeah,
Active. App switcher.
this
Tile,
is
tile,
the
active.
Tile app. I do not have
settings,
Tile
app options.
Premium,
Settings.
but for basic things, you really don't need it. But now here's some of the perks that I'll describe to you here of Tile Premium, and that one of them is if you lost your key or someone steals it or something, if your city is full of tiles, someone who comes, it depends, within a 100 feet radius of your tile, if you marked it as lost, it will notify you where that tile was pinged from other tile users. And my time is proper now. I don't know why QuickTime, or I don't know if it was QuickTime or something that did that, but it's proper now.
I think it probably was.
But yeah, there are some advantages to Premium, and plus if you have a newer Mate, Pro, or Slim, they will send you replacement batteries every year. shut the fuck up. So you can replace your battery. So that was the Tile app and a little bit about the Tile. If you guys want to see me set it up with my dad's phone later, I will happily do that. And we're going to end this here, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.